G'day, Adam from Aussie Cruisers 4x4. I'm doing an unboxing today of a bearing push set that I've ordered off eBay, $30. With these, it helps you push the bearings in at an even level, and you get 10 different ones. I'm just going to unbox it now. Comes in a normal box with that. Now you get it in a box like this, hard plastic box, and it comes with, if I can open it, hard plastic clips, which are good. Then inside it you have all the different sizes to push bearing in when you're doing a bearing change. And then what it is you pick what bearing you need. Let's say, bear with me, get the old Googles on so I can read them. Along the side here it has all sizes, which is going to be probably hard to see in the camera, but up the top I don't think you're going to see them. It's pretty hard to see, but yeah, it has sizes going from H1 to, well, it looks like H1. Yeah, but anyway, yeah. And then, so you go through, you pick your size you need. Just say we needed that size. You get this tool out, and I've got a video of actually me using this on the weekend. There's a little kitty Bryce has got, I'll just get him to show you. He got it on eBay, but tell you what, if you're travelling, it's probably a handy tool kit to have with your, what'd you say, punches.
Yep,
it's
so
set.
It punches your bearing cones into place nice and evenly. You can do it the old fashioned way with a punch, but it just takes all the mucking around out of it. When you want to get it done nice and quick and easy and simple.
Great idea, I reckon.
Yeah. Minimal cost. Just make sure it fits. It does. And off you go.
How easy is that, eh?
Once it makes the thud, it's been seated all the way. Change your size and flip it over and repeat the process.
Again, how easy is that? So what, you reckon about 30 bucks?
Right. About 30 bucks on eBay, yeah. Saves a lot of mucking around.
So you unscrew the, well, it's an M8 or M10 bolt on the end of it. Just unscrew it, push it through, so your bearing size is there. Look around, these are all aluminium too, which is pretty good. Look around, screw the bolt back in. The seats, it's for helping you seat the bearing. You've got to bear with me because I'm still new at doing all this kind of stuff. But yeah, so you go through like that. You set the bolt in like so. So the bolt's set. Go to socket, you could do it tighter. I'm just doing it finger tight at the moment. And then yeah, that's it. And like I said, then you just hammer it down, which I've got a video, I'll show you where I've done it. But the bit, say that's the bearing, you put it on the bearing and hammer it down. How easy is that? Good tool to have. Doesn't take up much space, so great to take with you if you happen to go touring. Then like I said, drop the bolt like I just did, pack it back into the box. I'll get my helpful little helper, Demi, to give me back, and you screw it back in like that for when you pack it away. Then just set it back in the box. As I said, the only con I could suppose is they're a little bit loose, but I mean, you got, like I said, you got all your different sizes from small to that size, and yeah, they're really good. I'll get a video up with this as well of actually it being used. As I just think it's a great tool to get, carry with you. It's small box, you know, only that by that, a little carry handle with it, easy to pack away, and it doesn't take up much space. It's light, they're all aluminium. So yeah, just a bearing set tool that makes it easier to set. Instead of tapping around the bearing, you're pushing it straight in. Anyway folks, that's it. Thanks for that, eh?